So if you want to withdraw money from TikTok, firstly go to your TikTok, log in your TikTok account. So now to withdraw, first you need to add your payment method. So make sure you have added your payment method. Go to your profile on your TikTok, then click on the horizontal lines on your top right there, click on it, and then go to balance. So go to your balance, and here you will see all your balance that's available for you. So tap on your balance, and this one will show you your current balance that you have. So what are you going to do? Click on the top right, the three dots on the top right there, click on it and select payment methods. Select it and then add the payment method that's available on your region. So this varies depending on your region. So whatever option, the withdrawal or payment method you have, just add it. So do that, and once you're done with that, and now you'll be able to tap on your balance, whatever you have it. So once you go to your balance here, you will be able to withdraw from here. So all you have to do is hit on withdraw. Since I don't have anything to withdraw, this it's grayed out, but you'll be able to, once you are eligible and you have reached the withdrawal limit, you'll be able to withdraw. Just tap on withdraw and then withdraw it to your added payment method. So however you have selected, what via the payment method that you have selected, you'll be able to withdraw it, and that's how you do it.